So for our lift tests, we put these jugs on there, and these are the big jugs, which are, how much weight are those? Those are friggin' heavy. So for our lift tests, we put these jugs on there, and these are the big jugs, which are, how much weight are those? Those are friggin' heavy. 1 gallon, 3.7 liters, but they're heavy. There's 4 of them on this shelf, plus the weight of the shelf. And then we Velcro this, which is a 5 kilogram, 11 pound weight scale. And we maxed out the scale with it. And here's the test.
You gonna do a record?
Go ahead. Error. Oh, it's lifting more than what your weight can take.
Oh yeah. My god. Wow. Okay. I think 5,000 grams.
So we have 4 jugs plus the scale, and now we're gonna see if this is gonna lift it. Go for it.
It lifts the back of the...
Oh, it's the back of it, yeah. Yeah, it's coming up.
The fact it moves it is pretty impressive.
So just for the fun of it, we're gonna try to lift the front of this truck with it. So you can actually mimic that you want to change the front tires. It is still attached onto the truck, on the trailer, so it shouldn't back up. There we go. Nice. So you can tell your mechanic to get under there now.
The nice thing about it is it's proportional, so you're not dealing with just on and off. Like you can.
Yeah, you can go very smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very smooth. It's not like a servo-driven forklift. When you do it with the oil there, it's nice and smooth. Nice.